How to log into Hulu account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for www.hulu.com. So after entering, you'll be directly taken to the official web page of Hulu. So in the screen, you can see there is a combination of Hulu and Disney app. So if you want to get the both app, then you have to go for get them both option in the green box. And after that, you can sign up to the both. But if you want to only sign up for Hulu, then you can go for sign up for Hulu only option and sign up and create your account. Since we are looking for login, you have to click on the login option, which is in the right upper corner over here. So after a few seconds of loading, you'll be able to see the text box over here. So in the first text box, you have to click and enter your email address. Similarly, in the second text box, you have to click and enter your password. If you forgot your password or email, then you can ask for help so that your email and password will be recovered and you'll be able to log in again. After filling your email and password, you have to go for login option and you'll be logged into your account. So by following this simple step, you can log into Hulu account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.